filming Halloween ice too.
You are. That's a great idea.
Yeah. You, Mommy.
You making them for me?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are so sweet.
We're gonna make so many for you. Okay?
Okay, that sounds good.
Give me Washington, Mommy. Okay. Here you go, Mommy. It's already.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna make some more.
You put it up there for me?
I mean.
Oh, thank you, Elliot. Thank you, Graham.
It's all cute. It's all your questions. Oh no, Mommy.
It's okay. Get another one. Crunch, 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 crunch.
What is that noise?
Chloe. Can you look at the camera and say hi?
Hi.
Hi, Elliot. Graham, look at me and say hi. Hey, Graham, Ice Cube Maker Wilson. Did you burp, Graham?
Trying to make your more ice too.
Well, can you say hi real quick?
No.
Real quick. Just look this way.
Mommy.
Look at me, quick. Hi.